Hello! Welcome to my channel, Lucifer. Code with ease. Today's topic is rolling like button. Let's start with the HTML code. Let me select HTML language. This is the basic code for the HTML web page. Add a CSS link for icons in the head tag. Now create a division with a container class and define a division inside a container with class name but. In that division, add text like in the desired font size. And also add a thumbs up icon in it. This is it for the HTML code. Now let's run the code. Now let's start with CSS code. Now let's add style to it. Now import the font family by adding its URL. Now add a font in the root selector. The root selector matches the document's root element. First, give the body a background color. Now add root selector's font in it. Now start styling the container class. Then add position absolute and top 50%, left 50%, and enter transform value as translate -50%. This will arrange every component in the center of the body. Add transition of all for 1 second. Now add a width and height of 50 pixels. Add a background color and box sizing as a border box. Now add a border radius of 25 pixels and a solid border of 4 pixels with the same background color. Also, add a padding of 5 pixels and a box shadow of 0 pixel, 0 pixel, and 15 pixels with the bluish background color. Now, add styling to the button class. Give it absolute position and top 0. Left 0. Add width and height of 100%. Add dark blue background color. Now add a border radius of 25 pixels. Add transition of all for 1 second. Now, let's start the home tag. Add a white color. Then add position absolute, left 70%, top 50%, and enter transform value as translate -50%. Add font size of 1.5 em. Add 100% width and margin auto. Add transition of all for 1 second. Opacity 0. Add styling to the I tag. Give it border, box border sizing. Add padding of 10 pixels. Add a height and width of 42.5 pixels. Then add position absolute, top 0, right 0, and add color. Now align the text in the center. Add font size of 1.2 EE. Add transition of all for 1 second. Now start styling the button class with the hover effect. Add width of 150 pixels and add cursor pointer. Add style to button class with hover effect with eye tag. Transform it in 360 degrees rotations. Add style to button class with hover effect with hone tag. Add animation of 2 seconds with the display name and a forward style. Now create a display animation with 2 layers in it. One from layer having opacity 0 and one to a layer having opacity 1. This is it for the CSS code. Now let's run the code. This is the end product of the whole code. Enjoy the code. Do share this video with your friends.